My dear friends, three things for preparation of mass. Three things. First, come in time. Some people are coming aram se sushagat, bore sushagat eta, bore sushagat. To catch the train, you come in time. To catch the flight, you come in time. Network issue. To go to the doctor, you go in time. Huh? To go to movie, you come in time. And from us, aram se, bore sushagat eta, bore sushagat. Some people are coming after first reading. Some people are coming after second reading. Some people are coming during the communion. Danny, am I right? Second thing of preparation of mass. Wear decent dress. Some girls are wearing shorts. And I don't want to mention about the bride. Kullam kulla. Everything backside open, everything air conditioned, this, that. You're coming for the sacrament. You should wear decent dress. And I want to tell you one thing. One girl came for first reading and she was wearing a shirt. And that altar boy, he was looking. Very badly he was looking. The girl should wear proper dress. They should not wear shorts and all that. If you're coming for mass, come in proper dress, proper. And third thing, for the preparation of mass, you switch your mobile. You're coming to the mass, tuck. You're coming here to meet the King of Kings, to get peace early morning in your life. Tuck. So three things for preparation. First is, come in time for mass. Second thing, wear decent dress. And third thing, phone. Tuck. Switch off. Bye.